All right, we're gonna do a video on this derby car here. We'll see. As I said, there it goes. Man, that car sounds good. There's the summer start of a derby car. Like I said, Oldsmobile Cutlass Cierra. There she goes. And there it goes. Okay, here's that one. And we got a bunch of cars coming in. Hey Brad, I'm gonna take a walk on down, see what's here.
Ahead, buddy.
And then after that, I'm gonna probably go screw around in the carnival for a little bit.
You know where we're at?
Yep, right here. Okay. Got some mods and compacts here so far. And over there we got a newer Lincoln Town car and a few Crown Vics and Grand Marquis. So yeah, that's all that's here so far. Still early yet. We got more cars pulling in. Awesome. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. Before I go, I just want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you and God bless.